Jaguar is Anglo-French. Why it is called Anglo-French? Because it was uh, developed or manufactured by the venture of two agencies or aviations of two different countries. So its development was considered early in 1960s as a jet trainer, which should be having a light ground attack capability as well, apart from training to the pilots. Right. So jet trainer with light ground attack capability was the requirement when the development of Jaguar was started, and that was long back, that in 1960s. And it was manufactured by these two, let's say, by a joint venture of these two aviations, that is called Breguet from France and British Aircraft Corporation from UK. So Indian Jaguars were used to carry out the reconnaissance missions. That doesn't mean that they cannot be used for other purposes, right? They can. So it is also used in small numbers for anti-chief roles. Right? So this is what you can consider the pictorial view of the Jaguar in one of the air shows conducted in India. Again, joint exercise uh, with the Navy and the Air Force of United States of America. So here these two are your Jaguars. Right. Another view we can consider its characteristics. It can be having it can have crew one or two. So then you can have the maximum speed is of 1350 kilometer per hour. Right. Its range is about 815 kilometers, right, which can uh, vary as a ferry range to 1900 kilometers. So likewise, there are different kinds of uh, characteristics which are there in the Jaguar. And then last member of the, say, fighter fighter aircrafts of Indian Air Force, that is MiG-21. Right. So as far as MiG, this would be the very first powerful aircraft we had, right, after independence. So again, it was developed by Mikogan Aviation, which is of Russia, right? An earlier version, sorry, the superior version. But before this, we have considered that is MiG-29, right? So you can consider some of the things which are common, that is such as the development and the need of development of such kinds of aircrafts. So again, if you further see, then in this particular uh, as far as this particular aircraft is concerned, which is being used by more than 60 countries over the world, and uh, many more countries are starving for getting this particular aircraft. Right? So you can just think about, right, 60 countries in the world which are using this one, and uh, the only provider is the Russia. Right? So how much international market is there? Right? Even earlier aircrafts, if you consider, then most of these aircrafts were being used by more than 10 countries in the world, right? So That is what you can consider. Obviously, the criteria would be only changing. So sometimes only the friendly countries, sometimes will be the countries which are in some of the groups in which that particular country is there. Likewise, there are different kinds of criteria. If any of the country is ready to pay the money, that doesn't mean that they will get each and every aircraft. For example, Rafale, right? So that is not in the let's say deal. It would be always a point that it would not be provided to the neighbors of India, right? Such as Pakistan will not get that particular aircraft, right? At least for the sake of same name, right? There might be changes in the name, and then it can be provided with another name. So these things might get happen, right? So as far as used by so many countries is concerned, so this is the candidate, right? It was produced as the most supersonic jet, right, in the history of aviation. So, and as I said, it is long back in again 1960s. So you can just consider uh, the era, and it's see in those days, obviously it was considered as today we are considering Rafale or F-16, right, or I think F-18, the new version of it, which has developed, or you can consider the proposed Tejas Mark II, right? So that would be the point you may consider in this one. And in that particular case, here MiG-21 was the India's largest operator. Right. In 1961, Indian Air Force purchased the MiG-21 for several other competitors, because as a part of a deal with Russia, right, which has offered full transfer of technology as well as rights for local assembling of the MiG-21. Obviously, that would be with the help of HAL, you can consider. And in 1964, the first supersonic fighter entered into the services of Indian Air Force. Right. So, but again, due to limited induction of the number of aircrafts and the lack of pilot training, so MiG-21 played a limited role in the very first war that was happened with the Pakistan in 1965, right? So just in the previous year, that is in 1964, it was started giving its services, right? As like today at this moment we should have 36 Rafales, but only 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, only these many Rafale right now we are having, right? So you can just consider the scenario. So in 64, whatever the deal which was carried out, so all the aircrafts have not received, and in 1965 we faced a uh, the war with the Pakistan. So its use would be of uh, to a certain limitations. But one positive thing had been happened in that one, that is the feedback from the pilots, right, during this war prompted India to place more orders for this particular fighter jet. So, and because of that, Indian government had invested heavily in building this particular series and maintaining the infrastructure as well as the pilot training programs for getting strengthened to the country. Right. So this is what you will be having in this particular case. Now, I will tell you one more point in this. So during Balakot airstrike, right, Pakistani Air Force had shot down a MiG-21, right, and captured our pilot, right. So obviously you know his name. So that is what you can consider. See, when we have got it, we started getting in 1965, or we started having its service in 19. 1985, and still in 2020 or in 2019, we are having its services. So that doesn't mean that we
Sir,
haven't have the improved versions of MiG-21. But my point here is that the developing country itself is not using this particular aircraft right after 1985, but still India is using this particular aircraft that is in the service. And you can see this is what the view of the MiG-21, right? So you can consider. So first time you can see here something different color, right, of its nose, right, or you can consider a part of cockpit, right? MiG-21, right?
Yes, Abhishek.
So this
it's
is
the pilot was captured by Pakistan. The pilot name was Abhinandan or not?
exactly same.
Abhinandan Vardhaman.
Yes. Well, yeah, exactly. Right. Okay. Can you recall his say what I can say? Can you recall his rank? That is always
Wing
important.
commander.
Right. Wing Commander Abhinandan Vardhaman. Right. So that is what you will be having in that particular incident. Right. So this is what we have considered in yesterday's session. Right. Okay. Okay. Anything which you would like to ask about this one? And any given unit name and what basis did they keep that name? Yes. Good question, Ayush. Yes, Ayush. Giving the name to the aircrafts, right? Particularly fighter aircrafts and missiles, right? Or even to the bombs, right? Which is called like munition, are always having certain kind of histories, right? So that you should be considered. But I haven't paid attention to providing the names of this one, but definitely I will focus this point when we will go for the year shows. So that is very much relevant point in that particular case, because there you will be coming across so many different aircrafts right across the globe, which are providing their services in different air forces, right? So there I may consider some of the things already. We are what we can consider involving too many things in this particular thing, right? Okay, something else. Today I'm going to show you something else, and that may be something say very easy, right? Or what you can consider uh, just to have a change. I'm spending the remaining time on another point. No doubt it is related to uh, geographical aspect, and I wanted you to be cope up with these things. I'm sure that already you know these things, but still, as a revision, you may consider it, or those who haven't paid attention to that particular point, for that purpose, I'm going to consider that one. Okay, anything which you would like to ask about this particular point? Okay, so let's go to yeah. So can you see a slide I have
Yes,
shared?
sir.
Yes,
Will you someone please read? What is you can?
States in India and its capital.
Yeah, good. Thank you. So states in India and its capital, right? So I will not tell you much more about these things. Already, I consider that already most of the things you know in this one, right? So straight away I will go to point which we can consider. Okay. Now I will just take the cursor to this particular part, right? And then if you could say the name of this particular state, then it would be better, right?
Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh,
Jammu Kashmir.
Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay.
Himachal Pradesh,
Okay.
Uttarakhand.
Uttaranchal,
Okay.
Punjab,
Punjab.
Haryana.
Haryana,
Haryana,
Okay.
Rajasthan,
Rajasthan,
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan,
Okay.
Uttar
Uttar Pradesh,
Uttar Pradesh.
Bihar,
Bihar.
Bihar,
Sikkim,
Aruna,
Mizoram,
Someone else?
Nagaland,
Where is the cursor? Okay.
Tripura,
Others, are you able to keep the pacing with the answers?
Manipur,
Yes, sir.
Manipur,
Nagaland,
Nagaland,
Arunachal Pradesh,
Pradesh,
Assam,
Assam,
Meghalaya,
Meghalaya.
West Bengal,
Bengal, West Bengal,
Okay.
West Bengal.
West Bengal,
Fine.
Jharkhand,
Jharkhand.
Chhattisgarh,
Chhattisgarh,
Odisha,
Odisha.
Odisha,
Telangana,
Sorry,
Andhra
Andhra
Pradesh,
Pradesh,
Telangana,
Telangana,
Telangana.
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu,
Tamil Nadu,
Tamil Nadu.
Kerala.
Kerala,
Kerala. Karnataka.
Karnataka,
Goa.
Goa,
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra,
Madhya
Madhya
Pradesh.
Pradesh,
Madhya Pradesh,
Gujarat,
Gujarat,
Okay. So everyone is very clear about this particular part, right? There is little bit less response in this particular part, and it is natural. I know about it, right? So most of the students may get confused about these things, right? So there is mixing of state name of the state and its capital, and something would get happening in this particular uh, region for some of the students. I'm not talking about all, but if you could identify all these things, then it would be better. If you could not identify, try to have an habit, right, to identify it as much as easily you can identify these particular regions, right? The purpose here is uh, to have the same confidence in identifying this region, right, whenever you will be identifying this particular region. So let's say one of these things, right? And now the scenario will be the same. Fine. So here you will be seeing the map of India. Here you will be seeing the map of that particular state whose name is given here, right? And now you have to say its capital. You have to try to say its capital, right?
Sir, but
Srinagar,
so it's an union territory, no?
Exactly, right? So what you can consider, since I have put it as part of our country, and I have to start from somewhere, so I have just put it, right? So whether I say it's state, you may consider that at all it might not be true, right? Because now at this moment we are having it as union territory, right? Okay, so this will be coming again, say what you can consider at the maybe in the last slide. All the union territories will be coming in this one, but still as a geographical area you can consider, right? If you could not as state. Anyway, so this particular region is Jammu and Kashmir. What is its capital?
Srinagar.
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 So you can see here Srinagar as well as,
Jammu.
right. So
Jammu.
these are the two things you can consider in this particular case. So for summer it is Srinagar, and for winter it goes to Jammu. So this would be the change in this particular region. Next one is,
Himachal
Himachal
Pradesh.
Pradesh.
Shimla.
yes,
Shimla.
right. Okay, Shimla. Fine.
Shimla.
Okay. Till now, those who have told the answer at very first instance, and I will advise them to wait for a moment. Let others be the part of this particular point, and let me see whether they can provide some sort of contribution in this or not. Right?
Chandigarh.
Yes, it is.
Chandigarh.
Chandigarh.
Yeah. So Chandigarh. Right. The next state is
Chandigarh.
Haryana.
Chandigarh.
Yeah. So these two states are sharing their capital, right?
Yes, sir.
That is again
Chandigarh.
Chandigarh. Next one is
Dehradun.
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 okay. Anything what I wanted to tell you? Anything special you do know about this particular place?
Yes, sir. In Dehradun, Indian Military Academy
Indian
was
Military.
established.
Yes.
Okay, most of you will be knowing. Most of you must be knowing there will be the Indian Military Academy, right? IMA at Dehradun. Is there anything else than IMA? Just for the sake of increasing your interest in this particular place, I'm asking this question. So answer is yes. Right. And there are not only IMA, there are some other training institutes, right, which are the premier training institutes of Indian Armed Forces, which are located at Dehradun. That we will come in some of the next sessions. Fine. So you can keep in mind Dehradun from the point of view of, say, training institutes, right? Okay.
Lucknow.
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 Lucknow. UP,
Okay.
Lucknow.
Lucknow.
Any speciality of Lucknow? Speciality means through the point of view of armed forces, any of the point you can consider.
Sir, Central Command.
Exactly. Right. So there is a command, right, which is called Central Command of what? Air Force or Army?
Indian Army.
Right. Next one.
Patna.
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 Bihar. Right,
Patna.
that is Patna.
Patna.
Historical importance of single line. Historical importance of
Patliputra. In past Patliputra, it is Rajdhani of Mahapadas.
exactly right. Patliputra. It was the capital, right, for that
Sir,
particular
Ashok.
Samrat Ashoka. Exactly. Right. So that is what the historical importance you can have in a single line. Okay.
Ranchi.
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 Okay. Ranchi. Anything special from this place which might have given joy to all of you or to the whole country?
Sir, Dhoni was born
Mahendra Singh
here.
Dhoni.
Yes.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Right. So the great player
MS.
MS.
Yes, sir.
Bhubaneswar.
Bhumneshwar.
Bhubaneswar.
Bhubaneswar.
Right.
Temple, sir.
Yeah, exactly. I wanted to ask you any of the speciality of this particular place through the point of view of tourism. Right. That is a temple. Name of the temple?
Jagannath
Puri
Puri.
Mandir.
Jagannath.
Jagannath Puri.
Jagannath Puri.
Okay.
Raipur.
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 Okay. In general, overall, through the point of view of importance of, say, the contribution to the country, what is the speciality of this particular state or even Raipur as well? And it is really contributing well in some of the important things.
Don't know, sir.
Okay, mines, right?
Yes.
Whatever, whatever the let's say metals you are getting.
Yes,
So
sir.
most of the mines are in this particular state.
सर
that
कोई
is-
की खान भी है वहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा।
Exactly, mines of coal as well.
Sir, Hajra waterfall.
Amarvati, sir. Amarvati, Visakhapatnam. No, sir.
तेलंगाना का
Hyderabad.
No,
हैदराबाद
it is
है
for
हैदराबाद
तेलंगाना का हैदराबाद।
तेलंगाना
हाँ।
और अरुणाचल प्रदेश बोल
Hyderabad.
what? Arunachal
Yes, sir.
Pradesh what?
Charminar.
तेलंगाना
प्रदेश।
और आंध्र प्रदेश का सर
आंध्र
हैदराबाद
प्रदेश
है।
यस सॉरी आंध्र प्रदेश
Right. So when Andhra Pradesh was separated, so it was sharing its capital with Telangana, but now it was having its own capital
Yes,
as well,
sir.
right? Okay. Anything which you can tell about this particular state, which was very recent?
सर कैपिटल
Air
ऑफ
Force
कुतुब
Academy.
शाही।
Indian Air Force Academy.
Yes, sir.
Hyderabad.
Okay. Through the point of view of water,
सर
any of the water reservoir which you know?
सर no, no.
So,
Sir, it is capital of Nizam और कुतुब शाह।
historically it is completely true, right? But through the point of view of water reservoirs, right, they have recently inaugurated in 2018 only, they have inaugurated the dam, right, which is of huge capacity. You will not believe that its backwater is providing it's or benefiting 3-4 districts in Maharashtra. Right? So that much huge dam they are going to have. In fact, almost it was completed, right? And in fact, it was inaugurated in 2018 as well. And they have, see, it is nearby these different nearby the Maharashtra's border, but they have taken the water from that particular place to Hyderabad, right, through canal. You will not believe that. So India's most powerful motors have been used to uplift the water from this particular. So in one of the next sessions sometime later, we will be looking that particular point as well. Okay.
Amarvati, Visakhapatnam.
Yes, Amravati, right? But I think it was a
हैदराबाद
mistake that I haven't changed. But right now you can have Amravati. right?
Okay.
Okay. Next one.
Chennai.
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 Tamil
Chennai.
Nadu, Chennai.
Yes.
Okay.
Ota is there, sir.
Exactly. Yes.
Tiruvananthapuram.
OTA.
Tiruvananthapuram.
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 Okay.
The Indian Naval Academy is there, sir.
Indian,
Exactly.
yes.
Right. But since I haven't touched that particular point, so I haven't, rather I'm not asking you that particular question, but you know that there is Indian Naval Academy. Tiruvananthapuram.
Bangalore.
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 Right. Karnataka. Bangalore. Okay. Any specialty?
Training Command of Indian Air Force.
And ISRO. ISRO is there.
Exactly. I was expecting, it is a,
Sir,
what you
in
can
the
consider.
picture.
It is a Silicon Valley of India. Right.
Yes, sir.
It is a city of Silicon Valley of India. Right. So most of the corporate offices, most of the premier educational institutions, most of the important head offices of all the IT companies, which are situating at this particular place.
Panji.
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 Okay, speciality of whole state.
For 50 years, Portuguese rule over here.
Okay.
Coastal Guard Office.
Exactly right.
Indian Coastal
Anything
Guard.
else? Anything else?
Sir, tourism.
Yeah, exactly. I was expecting this one, right? So for the purpose of tourism,
Mumbai.
Mumbai.
right?
Mumbai.
ह्याच्याबद्दल तर काही शंका असण्याचं कारण नाही.
No, sir.
Okay, any of the speciality of this particular place?
Sir, metro.
Dharawai.
Yes, sir.
Dream City.
Okay.
Bhumibam Atomic
Sorry, come
Research
again. Which city?
Dream City.
It's a financial capital of
Dream
India.
city. Yes. Keep in mind, right?
Sir,
So
Bhumibam
financial
Atomic
boost
Research
of
Center.
India. Put out nuclear institutions, right?
And
Not only
Bollywood.
DRC, but also TIFR as well, you can consider.
And Bollywood is there.
Bollywood again, exactly.
Bollywood.
Yes, exactly. Bollywood is there.
Important port in history of India.
Exactly.
Bhopal.
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 Right. Okay.
Bhopal.
Any of the point you do know about this one?
Some mines only. Lot of mines is there.
Exactly.
Gandhinagar.
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 Okay. Fine.
Jaipur.
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 Pink City.
Jaipur.
Pink City.
Exactly. Right. Pink City. I think now this part has been finished. So let's quickly go to this one.
Yes, sir. Kolkata.
Kolkata.
Right state is
Kolkata.
West Bengal.
Kolkata.
West
Right.
Bengal. Kolkata.
So Kolkata.
Gangtok.
Gangtok.
Sikkim,
Gangatok.
Gangatok. Right. Sikkim, Gangatok. Say everyone. Right. It is important.
Yes, sir.
Next one.
Dispur.
Dispur.
Dispur. Assam.
Assam,
Dispur.
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 Speciality.
Brahmaputra.
Brahmaputra only. Have you taken tea in the morning?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Farm of tea.
Right. Okay.
No, sir.
Shillong.
That is
Shillong.
good.
Shillong.
If you
Shillong.
haven't
Meghalaya,
taken.
Shillong.
Okay. Okay. Any of the importance of this particular place to the point of view of Indian Air Force?
Don't know, sir.
So I think one of the commands is here only.
Yes, exactly. There is a command, right,
Turn command.
at this particular place. Yeah. This one. AP.
Itanagar.
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 Itanagar. Right. This one.
Kohima.
And
Kohima.
Kohima.
Kohima. Right.
Kohima.
Now Manipur.
Imphal.
Imphal.
Right. Imphal. Mizoram.
Aizawl.
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 Yes, exactly. As well. And
Aizawl.
last one is Tripura.
Agartala.
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 Agar.
Tala.
So, and the last one is New Delhi again.
Delhi.
National.
Capital of
National
India.
capital.
It is national capital. So this is what you can consider, right? Already, most of you have already knowing these things. Right? It was just only to for my confirmation that how many students are actually providing. I wanted to tell you why I considered this point, because I wanted you to know geographically, right, who is where, and is there any point to be noted as a importance. That was my motive, right, in putting this
Sir, your voice
particular
is low.
point. Okay, so that is what we can consider. So we will stop here, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Chinmay is asking information about BrahMos tomorrow. Chinmay, I have a planned session for missiles as well. So in that, not only BrahMos, you will be getting all the missiles. Right now, see, there are
Okay,
so
sir.
many different things, right?
Okay,
Huge
sir.
number of things to be know, but time is not allowing us. Right? So if we it's a era where you can spend 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, probably much of that, more than that, right? So that much time is required, but we know the limitation is there, so we cannot see all the things whenever we wanted to know, right? So we have to wait for some of the points to be known, right? So definitely we are going to consider it, no doubt, but wait
Okay,
for
sir.
some sessions. Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir.